Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make spirulina flakes. First, you'll need to harvest your spirulina culture when it's dense and vibrant green. Next, carefully wash the harvested spirulina thoroughly to remove any impurities or residual growth medium. Then, press out excess water before spreading it thinly and evenly. Finally, dry the spirulina at a low temperature until it's completely brittle, then easily flake it into your desired size. To begin, harvest your spirulina when the culture appears thick and dark green. Use a fine mesh screen or cloth to gently separate the spirulina biomass from its growth medium. Once collected, rinse the spirulina thoroughly under clean, fresh water. Repeat this rinsing process at least 2 or 3 times to ensure all impurities are completely removed, leaving pure spirulina. After washing, it's time to remove excess water. Gently press the spirulina using a cheesecloth or a fine mesh bag. This step is crucial for efficient drying. Once pressed, spread the spirulina very thinly and evenly onto a non-stick surface, such as parchment paper or a dehydrator tray. An even layer ensures consistent drying and prevents mold. Now for the final stage, drying. Dry your spirulina at a low temperature, ideally below 115 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve its nutrients. A food dehydrator is perfect for this, or you can use an oven on its lowest setting with the door ajar. Drying typically takes several hours until the spirulina is completely brittle. Once dry, simply crumble it into flakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.